Here, you all. Myself, Mahalashmi Nadar. I'm from Chemistry Department. I'm also the coordinator of Center for Excellence. What is Center for Excellence? How we cater to the students of SIS to shape up the career. So today I'm just going to take a 15-20 minutes briefing. I'll share a link via your teachers to input forth your queries and how you can take the benefit, what are the admission process, everything. I'll just try to brief it. BT students, this is my lecture slot. After I finish with the orientation, you will follow my lecture link, our regular lecture link. And accordingly, B division students, you may have the instruction from Krishnan sir, you can follow that. So to begin, without wasting much time, let me just start with the orientation of Center for Excellence. So, Center for Excellence, as the name itself specifies, a center to meet your professional needs. We try to cater to the students for the overall well-being and to enhance their career. Because a degree is not only going to help you, you should have additional qualifications along with your degree, so that you are really having a wonderful career ahead. So, to keeping that in mind, we have a lot of courses in different disciplines and different titles. And these are courses offered in the college premises. Since it is online mode, this time you'll have online. And these courses will be conducted after your lecture hours once or twice a week. So dedicating time for your career enrichment is not at all going to be difficult because it is part of your day-to-day life where you can dedicate a hour or 2 hours in a week. It is really going to help you. The student has to think in this three academic year, that is when you are out of the college, how much you have added value to your profile. So for that, we had tried to collaborate with various institutions. We have our own faculties who also have their expertise. So those type of courses have been modified and try to offer students in the nominal charges. And why nominal charges is because knowing the background of a type of students who come, we see to it that we have these courses on a no profit, no loss without compromising on the quality of the education. It is maintained as a international standards and university norms. Everything is taken care without compromising on the quality. We have these courses which are basic expenses are just only taken care of with the fees. So it's not going to be costly because outside you go, it is going to be 3 to 4 times much than that. And after your academic career, if you take up, you will be really wasting time. So better think of in the 6 semesters, that is in 3 years, what and all you are going to acquire. You plan, and suppose there are credit-based course, you do think of doing those credit-based course, which is going to be of your interest, and it will also add additional credits to your certificate. So we have language proficiency classes. These are the various courses, and foreign language is very much important at this today's globalization world, where one has to be very proficient in at least one of the foreign language for the betterment
Ma'am,
or the
your voice
you
isn't
can say,
clear.
my voice is not clear. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So foreign languages, these are the languages we offer in levels: basic, intermediate, advanced level. So beginners level is just to brush up with the four tenses and you know what exactly is the language. And then the basic level, you come to know what exactly you will be studying. So we have BSc students, you all can go, and even if may be planning to go abroad for your higher studies, or you may be going planning to do MScs or post graduations, or you want to do some career-based diploma courses. So these all languages will help. It is up to your interest what language or what base of countries you're planning to go. Like if you are going for for biotech students, they normally require Spanish and German or French. So you can take international certifications and you need minimum 100-hour certification program. Means A1, at least you should be A1 qualified. So college also offers those levels. I'll come to the levels little later. And there is also flair for those students who want to know the mother tongue. You can go for Indian languages. Now we have introduced
Ma'am, we
Cambridge
can't hear
Assessment
you
English.
properly.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can't hear you properly.
Really, I will do one thing and change my headphone. Just a second. There is some problem with today's Teams app. There is some issue going on. I just try to change the headphone. Just a second. Can you all hear now? Yes?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, I'll change
Yes,
the
ma'am.
headphone. Okay, fine. Okay. So, Cambridge English, these are again available in beginners level, then basic level. This is as per CEFR, that is Common European Framework of Reference, which is all the languages has to be focused on. All levels should be in this module, A1, A2, then B1, B2, then C1, C2. A1, A2 are the basic levels. So you want to go for your education purpose, you should do this level. Suppose if you're planning for profession, as on like you want to go for consultancy, you want to take up teaching as a career in these languages, then you should at least qualify B1. If you qualify B1, you are eligible to teach A1. If you are qualifying B2, you are eligible to teach A1, A2. It's like that. C1 and C2 are the proficient, means professional level levels in each language. So this is the language levels shown for Cambridge English. So those students who complete Cambridge English course, we are also giving them credits. Okay, and we will train you how to appear for the Cambridge Assessment English test. So course fee is for the training program, and the exam fee, whenever the international exam window is open, that time we'll tell you you can apply online and give the exam online, because you can make use of this situation where you need not have to go in person. Most of the courses are online. So this is the
Ma'am, your voice
CFR
isn't clear
levels.
again.
I don't know what do I do. Just a second. I'll
No,
do
ma'am,
one
it's
thing.
clear.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
clear.
it's clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Can
Your
connect to
voice
you
is
properly.
clear,
There
ma'am.
is due to heavy rain, maybe some may be having connectivity issue. I have recorded, right? So this recording link I'll share with you. Okay.
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
just recording it, because what happened, there is heavy rain. Many students are having network issue. Even for me also, one of the device the net was not getting connected. Other device it gets connected. There is some issue going on today. We'll manage. And coming back to numerical skills, you may be appearing for competitive exams and you want to calculate things faster. Even longer expressions can be completed within a matter of seconds. So Vedic Max will help. 3 module Vedic Mac course, we give 2 to 3 credits. That is 2 module Vedic Mac course, we get 2 credits. So the first 3 levels, if you complete, you get 3 credits. And this course fee is nominal 3,500 something. And next week, we are going to have 1 hour hands-on training program to know how this course would be. You can feel it, you can understand. There will be some examples, so also you get an idea. So this workshop is upcoming. So most of the thing you should always check for the notices, links coming across. There may be lot of WhatsApp messages overflowing. You may overlook. Better read what it is and do take the benefit. Last 2 years there are many free workshops with certificates available. So you all should take those benefits, because it will really add value. Apart from the paid courses, there are a lot of online free courses coming because of the pandemic situation. So you do take the benefit of that. And computer courses, one have to be very proficient in IT technical skills. So these are the courses which we have. Some are 3 months, some are 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. FI, BSc, B division students are there. You may be having physics, stats, or whatever. So you all should try for going into embedded system, computer hardware and networking. You can go for computer programming. Biotech students also can do those. And advanced Excel is one such important key area where every individual should be aware of, and how to handle data online also you should be aware of. So this advanced Excel will help you to how data handling is done in macros. And those who do this advanced Excel course, they really get a lot of better job opportunities, because I myself know one of my student, we had sent 7 to 8 students for a placement. And that one student who had completed this course, she was anonymously selected from the rest, because all were having the same degree program. One was the one who was trained in macros, so she was immediately selected on that basis. So such is the value of these courses, because already you have gone through that. You are not going to waste a company's time in giving training and then absorbing you, and you will not be in a trainee period. You will be directly given on the pay band. So that is all these uh, courses help. And we have professionals. See, these are few photographs. You can see these professionals are training, and they will be giving you hardcore training, not like the one like we teachers. We have the soft corner. We train our students. No, they really want you to acquire that skill. They will give contents in such a way that those skills are really imbibed in you. And we have personality development courses also. We have creative writing, soft skill program. Soft skill program, there are a lot of workshops coming. How to write a resume, how to present yourself, what are presentation skills, creative thinking, critical thinking. These workshops keep coming, which are very much needed in corporate sectors. Do take the benefit of those workshops. And we have a personality development course, which is again a 30 hours overall personality development program, which will completely transform yourself from a normal individual, a proper person who is as required in industries, because your slang, the presentation skills has to be as per the needs of the company which they acquire you. So we had nearly, this is a training program, almost 15 to 20 students were trained. Almost all have got into placement. This was 2 years back, and now they all have got into higher studies. Some have really got placed also. You could also be the one among them. Now this year we are, last year also we had online training, one to one, face to face conversation. So this year also we will have such kind of online training program, and this course is having 2 credits. Okay. These are few creative courses. We also have credit courses on this. You may be good in artwork, painting work. You all can take the benefit. And we have career focused training programs or courses or skill based programs. Like students can go for digital marketing. We have tied up with TRIS Association. As a STEIN student, you should take the benefit of these professional courses. Suppose if you have a very good innovative idea, you want to invent something, or you want to understand how you can innovatively think and come with new ideas. So this is on TRIS theory. This is TRIS level 1 certification. This is again a 2 credit course. If students are very good enough, then these company faculties will do mentoring on one-to-one basis and try to help them to patent their ideas. It's like you can develop your own business model, or you could be the one to create a business model with your own developed product. So there is very much requirement of such kind of students. So we also have RUSA fund. If students are really, their idea is innovative, and RUSA come forward to fund those. So you should explore yourself in all the skills. I don't say you should take up all the courses. You should decide in this 3 years what and all I will do one by one. There are other more add-on programs by the different departments. These are autonomous courses. Most are credit or 2 or 3 credit courses. So see what courses you are going to take the benefit. COE also has Vedic Max certificate and diploma course in painting. We have German, we have Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Chinese. These are all credit-based courses. Now, what is this credit courses? Credit courses are those. See, you are getting doing add-on programs. You are getting additional certificates. But when you go to say applying for jobs or higher studies, there your degree, that is your first year, second year, and third year degree, semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the 6 year integrated study has total all papers, including your applied component, etc., everything, 120 credits. So apart from 120 credits in your 3 integrated year, what and all additional credit or additional certificates you have gained, so that we calculate the number of hours a student will be dedicating in a particular course. So if a student is dedicating 30 hours, that is equivalent to 2 credits. If they are dedicating 30 to 45 hours or 60 hours, then it is equivalent to 3 credits. If they are dedicating 60 to 75 hours, that is equal to 4 credits. So if you are doing this, so 120 plus additional in the 3 year, you might have earned 12 credits. So 132. So 132 credit is something, effort which you have put more than a university student who is having a basic degree with only 120 credit, and you have something more than that. So that so what students do after their degree program, they do PG program. If they want to go abroad, they waste 1 year to get that 12 credit, and then they in the post graduation for second year they drop and then go for higher studies abroad. So you need not have to waste that. In the 3 year you already got 132 credit, which is requirement for going to abroad out of India. Then you can really take it now. Need not only out of India, within India also you can try out, because most of the companies or institutions, those who take additional credit, they give them reference, they give the to take them into their projects. So you have to think of which type of programs you should avail. Ah, these were the offline courses which we were taking online. But from 2015, Center for Excellence have been doing online programs in collaboration with NPTEL IIT Madras, which is an online certification powered by HRD Ministry. It's a government-funded project where students are trained. Students and teachers can take the benefit of this online program. It is a free. It is available in the national portal of IIT. And but suppose if you want a IIT certification, then you have to just pay for the exam fee is around 1100 or 1000. Suppose if you are late in paying the fees, they also extend 2 days for a late fee, that will be 1500. But what is the use of these courses is what these courses are as per IIT curriculum, and these are taught by the IIT professors, IIT and IIS professors who are expertise in that field. So this will also supplement along with your academic career, and you get a certificate from IIT. Now, IIT certification itself is going to be valuable because it is recognized globally. Many have got placements through these type of certification programs. IIT also acknowledges the efforts of the students or the learners. What they do, if a student completes a 4-week course, clears the exam, and they should get out of 100 minimum 40%, then they give IIT certificate. So if you complete 4-week course, it is equivalent to 1 credit. You complete 8-week course, it is equivalent to 2 credits. If you complete 12-week course, it is equivalent to 3 credits or 4 credits. SIS College also acknowledge the efforts of the students who take up NPTEL examination. We give them the benefit of that. What we do, those students who qualify NPTEL exam, who put in lot of efforts by completing 8-week and 12-week, we give additional certificate of 2 credit for 8-week course, and 12-week course we give 3 credit certificate. Means apart from the IIT certificate, you will also get a certificate from the college that the students have taken efforts to complete something out of the box. So we should acknowledge that. And second, how do you do it? Just go to the swayam.gov.in portal, go into NPTEL link, and there you browse through the list of courses. Now, what is the type of courses is there? It covers all discipline. It may be of any area. You may be interested in soft skill. You may be interested in any chemistry, physics, biology, any subject management or anything you go. Just see the list of courses. What is your interest? You enroll, and we SIS college teachers will also help you by mentoring you. So your department teacher may tell, I am the mentor for so and so course, do enroll for this course, and you can take online and offline help from them. They may create a group to interact with you, and so on. Now, what is the IIT certification? This is the certification type. 40 to 59 is successful, 60 to 74 elite certificate, and elite plus silver, gold, and so on. Those who are topper, their name is displayed in the portal of IIT, and we are proud to say till now SIS college has 75 toppers, and we do conduct toppers felicitation program. Who knows, you could be one among them. Looking forward to such interaction from you all. Now, how do you do it? When you go to NPTEL course, you should create a profile, and you should choose your profession as a student, and you say you belong to NPTEL local chapter, yes, and you choose our college name. If you choose our college name, then only you will be part of our college portal. Then only we can give you credits. Otherwise, we can't. And if you want to select the college teacher as a mentor, also you have to choose our college only. Then you set that teacher as a mentor. But everything has a deadline that you have to always look out, stick to the deadline. And now, if you feel after learning for a week or so, you feel you can take up certification, then you can fill the IIT online form, pay the exam fees, and register, and you can give the exam. It is 25-75 pattern. That is 25% is the assignment score, weekly assignment. Suppose if you have missed your assignment, say for example, 4-week course, there are total 4 assignments. best 3 assignments will be considered for the 25 marks. And 8-week course, best 6 will be considered. 12-week course, best 8 will be considered. Okay, so suppose due to internals or some examination you couldn't submit one of the assignment, but they give lot of time for submitting assignments. Till that last minute you can keep on submitting, but they can't extend the date. So that deadline you have to follow. And the minimum passing standard for 25 is 10 marks, and minimum passing standard for 75 score is 30. So 30 plus 10, 40 marks at least you should score to get the IIT certification. Okay. We also have our land library. Right now we are not in college. Whenever we resume back, we'll tell you how to use this facility of land library. Okay. There are other online programs also. One such program which is going to be beneficial for you is Spoken Tutorial by IIT Bombay. Spoken Tutorial is a free open source software. Now, suppose if you are a math student and you want to use MATLAB, you want to use the tools of mathematics and experience how the laboratory techniques can be used, you can do this course. It's a short-term program. 1 month you have to take the training. It is a self-learning based training. Once you take the training for 1 month, you watch the videos and do the exercise in the software. Then you have to give a exam by IIT Bombay. Then if you clear the exam, you get above 40%, they give you a certificate. Okay, participation or successfully completed certificate. And biotech students, you all can try for cell designer, how to draw biomolecules, how the bonding takes place. You have virtual labs also. All these things softwares are there. Do take the benefit because this course is free of cost. There is no need to pay any fees. And once you complete the training, you do take up the exam and give. Suppose if you are not qualified, you have not got 40%. After 1 month, again you can try for one more time. That is how the spoken tutorial courses are there. So our college also have tied up with Internshala through NPTEL, and Internshala is a platform for internships and placements. Online placements are happening, and also there are a few, most of the contents are online due to this pandemic. Okay, due to this pandemic. What happens is what in this enrolling, what happens? Students who want to take up internships, those internships are available by registration via SIS. Means I will be circulating a link next week. You fill that link. Your data will be uploaded in the Internshala portal. Then you will get a mail via Internshala in another 4 to 5 days. And in that mail, they will give you a response link where you have to follow and create a student profile of SIS College. You create that profile. Now, all over India, there are a lot of internships and placements happening. You browse through those links, you choose the category or the field which you are want to apply, go through that and you apply. And suppose if you are getting an internship, you can go through the second level of interviews, etc., and make the use of that. And some of the internships are paid. Some are also of great concern. So you have hands-on training. Also, some may you have to go in person. Maybe it is nearby. If it is a long distance or whatever, you can always look out. But I suggest you don't go for a long-term internship. These internships is to give you training relevant to your subject. It is of benefit. Okay. And if you feel really it is a very good company, you should take up this internship. Do take it, but don't go beyond 3 months or 6 months. Long-term internship we don't acknowledge. And in the internship, you ensure that you get a letter, offer letter, and you also give the database to us. We'll be providing a link for uploading your data, and you will get an intern certificate. Do ask for that, and that is the recognition of your internship completion. And during your internship, you also ensure that uh, you are doing part-time internship. Don't go for full-time. We can't give you off from the academic activity. Or if it is 1 week, 2 week, we can understand. Then you have to inform your respective department. I'm doing so and so, and I would require to take. But if it is a long-term internship, not at the cost of your academic career, so please take care of that. And Internshala has also added few courses which are really professional training. It's a world-class professional training on this digital mode, and it is on a very subsided rate. Means 5,000, 6,000 course they are offering in 1,200 or 1,500. You will be given a SIS promo code. You can apply while payment, and really it is wonderful courses. It's real professional. It will completely improve. So do look out for those type of training programs. So finally, we acknowledge the efforts of our students. So this is what it is. We conduct felicitation program of our students. We also have achievers who have made us proud. You could be one among them. Various courses toppers are being listed here. We conduct a felicitation program for our students, and we have two proud students photos here. They have made us proud by doing maximum number of courses through Coursera, and they have got opportunities from various foreign universities. So you could also be one among them. And we also have our own festival during the college Utkarsh festival. We also have Netritvam. We do conduct talent shows. We do conduct various activities. You can participate. You can also host the show. You can be volunteer. Looking forward to more such options from you. Finally, you have any queries, you can contact me. This is the link of inquiries. I'll share the link with you. Right now in this meeting, the chat box is not available. I don't know what is some technical problem with MS Teams. I'll give across through your teachers. So you can join the Telegram group for more queries. Anyone want to ask anything?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
if we do more than one course, then we'll get more credits, right?
College has planned some credit courses for you. In a first year, additional credit you can take 2 credits, and in the second year you can take 4 credits, and third year you can take 6 credits. That's how colleges plan. 6 plus 6, 12 credits. Additional credit has been planned by the college, but as much as course you take, the credit is just for adding to your thing. But if the course content is such that if you're capable to do more than 2 or 3 courses, one at a time in a year, if you complete each course, you will get a credit certificate, or the course itself is credit based. So you will get the course certificate where the credit will be mentioned. So you can add in your CV as of against that only you are getting your CV entrance. So there is no limitation for how many credits you can take, but as much as credit you gain, it should not exceed 12, it says. But if you get more than 12, what is harm in it? That will really add value to your CV. Okay.
Ma'am, how do we
Um,
enroll for these courses?
I will be giving one link. I'm just trying to figure out the uh, chat box. I'll do one thing. I'll try to put a link. Is chat box accessible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. I'll try to put it. Um, I'll just stop sharing and try. This chat box is not seen in my device through which I'm sharing the screen. I don't know. And participants are also not seen. I'm not able to download the attendance also. Anyway, fine. I'll do one thing. I'll take a screenshot. Just wait for a second. And I'll try to. You want to take a screenshot of this one? I'll give you. This is the inquiry link. Just put in that SICOE inquiry link. I'll just send this message to Krishnan sir, and for my students, I'll put it in our group, that message. So you get into that. And coming week, around I say Thursday or Friday, that next Thursday, I'm planning one-to-one conversation. So those who have any doubts or anything, you can do the you can come to that link and we can have a discussion over there. Means I'll use a link for QA session. I'm going to have next week. So in that I'll give you. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me who's that?
ma'am, in the language courses, even if we complete the basic level, will we be getting credit points?
Complete. You tell me which language you are talking. I'll tell you. We have
Ma'am,
German, Japanese. Japanese, yeah. First level is having credit point. Korean first level is having credit point. German and Spanish, you should complete 2 levels because first level is very much beginner's level. Okay, then second level onwards you get credit points.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
So for
you should take a
German and
commitment of 2 level. Then we will consider you that you are planning to take credit. Accordingly, we'll train you. That's how it is. German and Spanish. And French
okay,
first level is having credit point because first level of French and Japanese are 75 and 50 hours. German, Spanish is 30 hours. Korean is 40 hours. So, which is less than that. That means what 25 hours का lecture होगा, 5 to 6 तुम्हारा tutorial session होगा. So it is less than 30 only. So we can't give credit at the beginner's level because you are just knowing that language. The second level onwards, there is credit. So if you take a commitment, now you will complete level 1 maybe in Jan. If you start now, you will complete level 1 in Jan and then you can immediately start with level 2. So March, you will have your SEM and exam, March or April. Then in May, we will complete both the levels. Okay. So next year, June, you will get credits, 3 credits for that. That's how. So that is in odd semesters, you will enroll. Even semester, you will get the credit. That's how it is.
Ma'am,
Okay.
understood, ma'am. Thank you.
ma'am,
Yeah, yeah.
how to enroll for language program that you have said?
Just a second. I am not able to post in chat. I will do one thing. I'll share a screen. Just a second. I'll share the screen and I'll just show you the steps so that all know how you should enroll. And this PDF file, I'll share it in the Telegram group. So I'll give you inquiry link and a Telegram group link. You join the Telegram group. There we will put the steps. Okay. Just a minute. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Uh, This is the fee structure. This link I'll be sharing in the Telegram group. You have to click this Google Form link. First, you have to see which course you are enrolling. If you are starting with foreign languages, this course is having all L1, L2, everything, but you have to start with L1. So, if suppose if you are enrolling for Japanese, L1. After you come, what you will do, you will see the fee structure for L1, including GST. So, it is 5,500 is the fees. With GST it is 6490. So what you have to do, you have to do this payment of 6490 online by any payment mode. At the end of this document, there is a payment link and the bank details. So which bank, this is the SIS account and this is the bank account number. You have to do IFS or you have to do NEFT, RTGS or IMPS, Paytm, GPay, whatever online mode you can do it, but to this bank account, and this is the IFSC code. This first digit is 0. Okay. And after you do this, you take a screenshot of that payment successful message, screenshot Milo, and keep a photo of your PDF ready. And you will have this form to fill. In this form, you fill your details, choose the class which you belong to, and what is your division, roll number, etc. Any student who has joined late, they have not got the roll number, you put a dash and later you can give the roll number. Okay. So this all here also the details are mentioned. Here also the details are mentioned. You fill your required details. You say you are SIS staff or student, and then you go to the next level. You just give your email ID and fill all the details. Upload the screenshot of the payment method which you have followed. Okay, so all fill, and this is how your certificate will also be there. So fill this form with utmost care. Fill all the details of utmost care. If you're a student, you have to use student. If you're a staff, then you have to select yourself as a staff. So you will select student of SIS institution. Okay. And then you will get SIS college student 2021-22. And then you will fill all the details. Clear? So please fill the details with utmost care and choose correct class you are, because what happens sometimes you may be doing from mobile phone, you will choose the wrong class. Because if you're applying for a credit based course, we keep a record. Also for certificate, we keep a record. Suppose if you are doing a computer course, then select that. Under that computer course, what and all course admissions are available, that will be listed. Understood? Okay, this is how you can apply. Once you submit this admission form, you can inform me via my contact number. You want to take my contact number? It's not put here. Okay, I'll just type my contact number here. You can message me or you can call me between 5 to 7 p.m. because mornings I have lecture. I won't be able to attend your calls. You can call and clarify your doubts between the 5 to 7 p.m. Okay, so 9769040609 is my contact. You can call in this for any doubts and clarifications. Rest all we'll discuss in the Telegram group. Okay, these all links I'll give it to you. Okay, fine. I think now it will be difficult to go for a lecture session. Anyone has any other queries? Okay,
Ma'am,
fine. Yeah.
ma'am, when will you put the link for the recording of this lecture?
I'm just giving it. Just give me 10-15 minutes. I'll send it across now. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Now, or you come to the chat box only, you will find it here. There is no stop recording option. Some problem